So the first thing you do, you type, you come to your browser and type if infinity free, InfinityFree, enter. So you locate this one, look at it, InfinityFree. So you click on InfinityFree, see it. If you already have an account, you can log in. But if you don't have an account, you click on register. But because for the sake of this tutorial, I want us to start afresh so that you will understand everything. So I'm going to use one of my email to sign up so that you will understand the tutorial very well. So I'm going to click on register, and then the next thing, you can sign up with Google. You can decide to type your email and password. But me, I like signing up with Google because it's very, very fast and easy. It doesn't require password. So I sign up with Google. So I'll click on this, and then I'll click on continue. So I'm here right now. I am on this interface right now. So the next thing you do, you click create account. So after clicking on create account, they have um so many payment plan. They have the free plan, they have the starter premium, they have the super premium and the ultimate premium. Whichever one you want to use is fine. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use the free plan because we are learning. It's for practice. Whichever one you want, either the starter or the super premium or the ultimate premium. You will choose your payment plan according to your preference. Okay, so now we're going with the hosting plan, the C control panel, the unlimited heat, PHP version selection. So all these things with X are the things that you don't have access to from with this free plan. So we'll now click create now. Yeah, so this is see different types of will I say you see different option here. So whichever name you're using, you will add one of these to it in order for you to be able to access your domain. So I'm going to use let me say Francisca. Okay, let me say Emmanuel, just for example. Then in some other you use .com, .net, because it's paid. So because this one is not paid, we are going to use, we can do emmanuelfree.nf, we can do 42web.io, we can do emmanuelinfinityfreeapp.com. Whatever, anyone you choose here is fine. You can use it in order for you to access your WordPress. So I'm going to use emmanuelinfinityfreeapp.com, says, and then I will now check availability. Checking. So this is it. This is it. emmanuelinfinityfree.com. It's available. So in this place we are going to we are going to So now you have created the account. You see it, Emmanuel.infinityfreeapp.com. So this is the name of our domain. Remember that it's free. So because it's free, you cannot use the name. Okay, you can use the name that you want, but when it comes to all this www.com or whatever, you need to choose their own, just like this infinityfree.com. So that is just it. So the next thing you do now, we have created the account, right? We have created the account. So this is we have created the Infinity Free account. So the next thing you do now, you click on Control Panel. So if you see this thing, don't panic, don't bother. All these things, don't panic, don't bother. So the next thing you do is you just read through. You just read through. You read through it, and the next thing you approve. So after approving, the next thing you do, you click approve. After clicking the approve, you scroll down. You scroll down and locate Softaculous app installer. This is where you come next stuff. You see Softaculous app installer. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, this is install WordPress. Install WordPress. So you come here, you click on install WordPress. You see it? Do you know? You see it? You see on this, it's if you have you see on this side, if you have created more than one account, more than one domain, you have the option to choose from here. But now it's just one domain that we have created, so we're using this one that we have created. Okay, so this is it. So you must choose your domain here. So it's just this one that we have created. You can create as many domain as you want under this one. So we're not creating any other one. So what we're going to do now is we click on install. I can try to name your site. Okay, I'm going to name my site Emmanuel. So I'm going to name my site Emmanuel. The admin username, I'll name it Emmanuel, and then the password, I have to give it Emmanuel. Just use what you can remember. And this is the admin email. So site discretion, my WordPress. You can try to change it if you want, but for me, since it's a free account, there's no point of changing all this. So this is a free account. You don't need to change. So what I did is, let me say, let me just leave it at Emmanuel in order for me to remember. So this is it. The username is Emmanuel. The admin password is Emmanuel. And of course, this is the admin email. So the next thing you do, you scroll down and then you click install. So it's installing your WordPress. You see it. Congratulations, the software was installed. Okay, congratulations. You see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So, and you see this one, it said WordPress has been successfully installed at emmanuel.infinityfree.com. Okay, you see it. It's that simple. You can decide to copy it and save it. If you can copy your URL and save it. So now we're going to click on return to WordPress management. Okay, so that's just it. So this is how your site will look like. So now what we're going to click on right now is login. Login as an admin or user. So you log in here. Boom. So we're here. So this is the WordPress dashboard. So whatever you want to install here, you can as well. This is your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to do your practice for website design, you can as well get this free domain and do your practice. So I'll see you in my next video.